Hello and welcome to Hakista TV. In this video, we will be checking out this Ace weather resistant padlock, which you can buy for 449 pesos. And it claims to be pick resistance. Now let's open it up. Since it claims to be pick resistant, I want to embarrass this lock using a technique that doesn't need that much skill, the L-rake method. Okay, so let's put a keyway tension, lower the, and okay. As you can see, this is another false marketing by Ace, and I advise everyone to don't fall for it. And if you like this video, check my lockpicking playlist here on Hakista TV. Till next time, my fellow Hakista.